Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down menu using Squarespace. So first of all, of course, guys, you would like to go and open in the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me here, I'm using Brave. Of course, for you, you can use other browsers. Any browser could be working for you. Then you would like to go here and type squarespace.com, then go straight into then go straight into the application. So let me just remove that and hit the enter button. Let's wait until it actually takes us into the Squarespace website. So here, this will actually be your home/main screen of the website, and if you are using this website for the first time, you would like actually to click at get started to create actually your account. Of course, you will have a trial of 14 days and you will be actually able to test the template and even using them. So here, of course, if you already have an account, you would like to create a template if you don't have one, or you can just go and click at your icon here and it will actually takes you into your dashboard. For me, I have here 3 tests and websites. I'm just going to click at one of them. So here, as you can see, I will just go and click at the edit button here and it will actually be able to edit my website here. So as we said, we would like to add a drop down menu using Squarespace. So all we need to do, just go and click done first and go here to your pages. So let me just show you here the steps. So as you can see here in your pages menu and their main navigation, click at the plus sign to add a folder. So here we can just go and click at the plus icon to add the folder that we want, then change the folder to add a folder, then change the name of your navigation drop down title. So here, of course, first of all, you'd like to go and add a folder, as we said, because we actually, as you can see, we want to add a drop down menu. So here, just go and in the folder name of your drop down the title. So here I'm just going to click on that. The title will be like test and click at save. So here we would like to drag and drop the folder and the order you would like your navigation menu items to appear. So for me here, I have empty folder. Of course, if you want to fill it, just go and click like add pages or whatever to your folder here, or you can just drag things into that and you will actually be able to drop down into the new folder that you actually added. Well, it will actually means that you add a drop down the menu. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.